Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow access to contacts and call history on your QCY MeloBuds Pro. Allowing access to contacts and call history on your QCY MeloBuds Pro will let you do various things like, for example, hear call announcements in your earbuds, but also it'll let you do way more. So if you want to do that, simply go to Settings, then go to Connected Devices. Now click on the settings next to your earbuds and then find Allow Access to Contacts and Call History. Enable that option, and now they are allowed. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.